Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170 wireless color all-in-one Supertank printer. This device is packed with features that make it an absolute game changer for anyone looking for a reliable, efficient, and high-quality printing solution. Whether you're a busy professional or a home user, this printer is sure to impress. Let's dive in and take a closer look at what makes it so special. First off, let's talk about the printing capabilities of the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170. With its precision core permanent print head, you can expect consistent and reliable results every time you print. The printer uses DURA Bright ET pigment ink, which produces vibrant colors that are sure to make your documents and photos stand out. Plus, with a print resolution of 1200 dpi, you can be assured of crisp and clear text, even at small font sizes. Whether you're printing black and white documents or colorful presentations, this printer delivers. And with speeds of 17 pages per minute in black and 9.5 pages per minute in color, you can get your work done quickly and efficiently. Another feature that really impressed me is the printer's wireless connectivity and app-based printing capabilities. With the Epson Smart Panel app, you can print, scan, and even fax documents directly from your smartphone or tablet. This is especially useful when you're on the go and need to print something quickly. You can also print via email, which is great for sending documents to the printer from anywhere in the world. This level of flexibility and convenience is a major advantage, especially for professionals who need to work remotely or collaborate with colleagues in different locations. The Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170 also features a large, touchscreen display that makes it easy to navigate through jobs and access various settings. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to quickly select the functions you need and get back to work. The printer also comes with an auto document feeder, which is perfect for scanning and copying multi-page documents. This feature saves you time and effort, and it's a major plus for anyone who needs to handle large volumes of paperwork. In addition to its impressive printing capabilities, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170 is also designed to be environmentally friendly. The EcoTank system uses large, refillable ink tanks that can print thousands of pages before needing to be replaced. This not only reduces waste, but also saves you money in the long run. Plus, the printer is designed to be energy efficient, using less power than traditional laser printers. So, if you're looking for a printer that's not only reliable and efficient, but also eco-friendly, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170 is an excellent choice. In conclusion, the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170 wireless color all-in-one Supertank printer is an outstanding device that offers a perfect blend of performance, convenience, and sustainability. With its impressive printing capabilities, wireless connectivity, and user-friendly interface, it's an ideal solution for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient printing solution. If you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to take your printing to the next level. Invest in the Epson EcoTank Pro ET-5170 and experience the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.